Hi everyone. Today I will show you a very beautiful thing using TensorFlow and CV2 and CVLib. So as you see here, we have this image. This image contains a lot of faces, men and women's faces. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to save the men faces into one folder. I will call it min, and the woman faces to a folder called woman. Okay, so how can I do that? So I will show you how. So first of all, we need TensorFlow. Okay, if you, in fact, you will need Python 3.6 to install TensorFlow without any errors. Okay, then we need NumPy and CV2, and of course we need CVLib. I think this CVLib only works with TensorFlow. Okay, so you need TensorFlow to run this CVLib. This CVLib it's just to track the faces, to detect the faces. So you can use dlib instead of this one, but this one is fast. This one is faster than dlib. So yeah, I have found this model on the internet. This model has been trained to detect men and women faces. Then we have the class. The index 0 is man, the index 1 is woman. So I will read the faces. I will read this image. Okay, to get the best detection, we need to resize the image. If the image is small, okay, we need to resize it. But in my case, I think it's big, so I don't need to resize it. And here we have the detection. Confidence cv.detect faces. So we'll use this CVLib to detect faces. Then here we will save the image, and here we will have two paths, one for the men folder and another one for the woman for the folder. Okay, so yeah, we will have two counters, one for the men and one for the women. So we loop inside the face detection model or face detection, this one, face detect faces. We will loop inside it, okay, to get the faces. After we get the faces, we will get the coordinates of the faces. Okay, then we will copy the image and we will put the new coordinates in face cropped. Face cropped. This step is to put the face cropped in the model to get the predict of the model. Okay, so we have the indexes. From this predict we will get indexes. Now from the face detection we will get indexes and coordinates. So yeah, then we will have the labels. We will put it on the indexes because index 0 is man, index 1 is woman. After that I will get the confidence index, okay, to get the percentage. Then if the label equal to man and the percent is bigger than 80%, the counter one will be +1, then we will save the image. That means we will save the man image. Okay, then the names we will put the label and the counter. If the label is woman and the percent is 70%, or you can add it 90% as you want. The counter 2 will be +1, will be like increasing. Then we will save the image. And yeah, that's all. And here we put text to show the labels. Okay, and we will put rectangle around the faces. Then we will print the results. Okay. So you see here it's using TensorFlow. So yeah, we have detected the faces. Let's check here, man, woman. Yeah, I think this is good. So yeah, let's see the folders. We have the men in one folder, and yeah, we have the woman in the another folder. So maybe this project will help you to train the image. Like if you have like a folder contains like 4,000 images for men and women, so you want to like specify the men in one folder and the woman in another folder, you can use this program to do that. So yeah, that's all. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.